During a challenging period of his life marked by homelessness, former Nickelodeon actor Tyler Chase, best remembered for his role as Martin Corley on Ned's declassified school survival guide, was recently reunited with his old co-star Daniel Curtis Lee. A video of Chase living on the streets in California went viral online, drawing attention to his predicament. Fans and former co-workers, many of whom recognized him from the well-liked early 2000 series, were extremely alarmed by the clip. According to reports, Chase has long struggled with mental health issues and unstable housing. Daniel Curtis Lee, who portrayed Cookie on the program, directly intervened to see how his former castmate was doing after learning about the circumstances. After being away for years, Lee finally met Chase in person and spent time chatting, eating, and getting back in touch. The two performers' closeness from the early years on set was highlighted by the poignant reunion. In order to provide Chase with short-term assistance, Lee also worked behind the scenes, setting up a temporary hotel stay to guarantee he had a secure place to sleep. He later revealed that although assistance was provided, Chase ultimately made his own decisions regarding his treatment, stressing that assistance cannot be coerced. Devin Wookheiser and other members of Ned's declassified cast has also shown worry and encouragement, hoping that increased public awareness would result in long-term assistance for Chase. The incident has spurred a wider discussion regarding the difficulties that some former child stars encounter after their early fame diminishes, as well as the value of empathy, tolerance, and ongoing support for people who are struggling in life away from the spotlight. Seeing a well-known child face in agony serves as a compelling reminder to many followers that fame does not shield people from hardships in real life. The story of Tyler Chase is more than simply a reunion or a moment captured on video. It's about a person who once brought joy to millions of people but now requires understanding, tolerance, and compassion. Sometimes the most crucial survival guide isn't written for school. Rather, it's written by the individuals who will always remember you once the cameras stop. Thanks for watching CNET News. Stay tuned for more updates and stories from around the world. See you next time.